Hello, in this tutorial we are going to see how to view our payments transactions. Here I mean all transactions that have been done by our microfinance that involves paying out money to customers, to service providers and elsewhere. On our receipts and payments tab here, we have payments by transaction. When you click it, this form will come. As usual, it's I think, yeah, let's hide this entire ribbon control from here to have ample space. Let's maximize our form. As in the receipts, still here we have two date time pickers. You select the start date from which you want your report to start, and then the end date. So I need transactions from this date. Let me see. Let's use Jan 1st 2016 up to 30th September 2016. After that, you say get data. It will load all the transactions that were done between these two dates. Here we have an instruction or a help information that drag a column head here to group by that column. In other tutorials I didn't include it, but here let me demonstrate it how it's done. It's used to group transactions depending or basing on the column. For example, if I drag customer account number here, it will group all our transactions by customers. For example, if you expand this button, it tells you that customer number 1 did this transaction, customer number 3 did this transaction, customer number 4 did these two transactions, customer number 7 also had 2 transactions between this period, customer number 11 had 1, customer number 20 had all these 6 transactions alone. And here you can also see the rest. So that's how we can see the grouping, and the grouping helps us to know more, to sort out any details and see how transactions were done and who did what between a certain period of time. So when you are done, you just get it and you drag it and you press it where you see the arrows. They come automatically to let you know maybe you want to put it here. So you just release the mouse and it will be back here where it was. What you can do here, you select what you want to print and you say print. It will load for you a print preview form with all these transactions, but since they can't fit on the page, they will go to other pages, and when you look down here on the status bar, it tells you there are 6 pages which you can navigate through using these navigation buttons here, or you can just scroll up and down to view all of these, view all of them. Yeah, these are system accounts which you deal with on a daily basis. Remember, you can change the view here of your data grid view here. These laws, it's okay. You can remove them like that, and you can save this report. You are free, and if you have a saved report, you can open it from here. Here you select the printer and the other printer settings here. the printer preferences, which may be very familiar with in Windows. But here you select the printer. It will look for all the printers that you've installed on your computer. The number of copies, which pages do you want to print, all, current page, some pages, all that you print from here. This is quick print to print all the pages using your default printer. Here you can set pages, can set margins, the paper size you use here. Maybe where you are, you use another kind of paper size, which is not A4, which is by default comes in. So you select any other paper. We use landscape since the data grid view is long. Okay, so you can also zoom from here. You can navigate. You can have several pages here to view. From here you can change the color of the page, and it looks the way you want it to look. You select one like this. You see how it looks like. You can add a page, a watermark here. You can look for a picture from your computer, and I don't have good pictures. Let me use one for people, and we put in. It's here, though you can't see it all, but it's there. And or you can just use a text. Some pre-text can also be used. You will see it also coming, and you can save it in these formats, either as an image, PNG, JPG, bitmap here, or text file, this comma kind of file, CSV, compatible with Excel, and these new Excel and old Excel file formats. This is rich text format file, compatible with Microsoft Word, and this more of hypertext markup file and PDF. So all those are functionalities that you can use here when you want to print all this information. So that's how we go about it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Hopefully see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.